web slayer that you've all been hearing about. You know the one that trips on red ropes at the movie. You know, she's interesting. As you can see, we forgot her pills today. Emily, do you know how to spell pills? Ow.
Q-C. What? Rar. Why is there red stuff?
Oh my god. Okay, let's see if we can get her back.
You make me want to take a shotgun, shoot a seagull, and shove it up your butt. Gonna take that, punk? Huh? Fine, I got better. I'm gonna take a rubber dinosaur and, oh yeah, whack, chase you around until I whack you in it until you bleed.
We'll see if we can get her back to the mental hospital, and I'll get back to you shortly.
Why are you staring at me, you